As many of you will know, Surrey County Council is facing huge financial pressures. The number of residents needing our support, whether it is for learning disabilities or elderly care, is rising. But our core government grant has been cut by more than £200 million since 2010. We've found more than £500 million of savings to deal with this, but the challenge is getting harder. For instance, Surrey already has more than 93,000 residents over 65 years of age who can't manage the domestic task on their own, and this will rise by 36% by 2030. After talking to our residents and partners we work with, such as the boroughs and our district councils, the voluntary sector and businesses, we've launched a new community vision for 2030. The aim is to transform the support provided by all of us to residents and communities, but to get there we'll need to take some very difficult decisions. We really want to hear your view on a series of consultations which will help us shape your services for the future.
Surrey has been providing generous benefits over and above the National Free Bus Travel Scheme for many years. We are one of a few areas in the country still offering both these additional concessions. Unfortunately, the unprecedented pressure on our finances from rising demand for social care for children and adults and disappearing government grant means we have no option but to consider very carefully whether we can continue to provide them. While it will be a tough decision for us to take, only around 2% of journeys under the scheme are made before 9:30 in the morning, and the potential changes would save around £400,000 annually. However, we really want to hear residents' views about how they could be affected before we decide on whether to bring Surrey in line with most of the country, and I would urge all of them to have their say.
Please take your time to have your say at surreycc.gov.uk/consultations. We really want to hear your views.